it's Skylar. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in Las Vegas and I'm about to show you something absolutely insane that's gonna blow your mind. So buckle up and let's check it out.
What a race we have in store for us.
All right, guys, so do you guys know who Lando Norris is? I'm sure you guys are aware, the amazing F1 driver that pretty much wins every race. Well, today we're reviewing his one-of-one special-made McLaren. Let's check it out. All right, guys, this is the McLaren Golf livery, and this was special made by McLaren for Lando Norris. Absolutely insane. I cannot believe I get to review this. It is so stunning. All right, let's check out the colorway on this car. It is zenith blue and tangerine orange. Completely matched the Golf logo. As you can see here, they have his name, the Norris name, and his number, the Golf logo, and the entire car is carbon fiber, which is insane. That's not common on a lot of cars. And if you guys are curious what kind of McLaren this is, it is the Elva. And check out the back end of this car. It is a V8 twin turbocharged, and check out the exhaust on this. Amazing. If you come close and check this out, it is an all gold engine bay, which I've never seen on any supercar. We have the classic McLaren key, but a super sick Golf logo on the back. Let's check out something cool. Most people would put their helmet in there. I personally would be putting my Birkin bag. Check out this mini compartment where you could store stuff. Definitely put my purse in that. Let's get inside of this beauty and talk about the interior. Getting into this, I feel literally like a race car driver. These bucket seats. First thing sitting in here, feel like an actual race car driver in these bulky bucket seats. Point out the Elva McLaren logo right here. Check out all of this carbon fiber. And then more carbon fiber on the steering wheel with the classic McLaren suede detailing still added in. And surprisingly, it comes with a touchscreen display for your directions and music. Something funny I want to point out is they legally have to have a rearview mirror on this car, but look how tiny it is. It picks up nothing but the Gulfstream logo in the back. All right, we got the Lando Norris F1 race worn helmet. We also got Lando Norris's signature right here, which is a really cool addition. Also, fun fact, this is the only legal car to not have a windshield, which is so cool. I want to point out the blue and orange stitching on the bucket seats that go with the Golf logo. I think that's a cool feature as well. On the steering wheel, the blue and orange as well. Also, it is a soft closed door. And then you just press this button right here when you want to hop out. All right, before we get into some more details, let's talk about the price on this beauty. It goes for $2.5 million because it is a one-of-one, never made, and it was owned by Lando Norris. Let's check out how unique these rims are with these black brake calipers, and I love the yellow feature they added in, a nice pop of different color with the blue and orange accents. I love it. All right, it goes 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds with 804 horsepower. Absolute beast. So that was the McLaren Elva, guys, the most wildest car I've ever done a review on. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so if you liked this car, make sure you stay tuned for my next episode because I have some really cool things coming out that I know you'll love. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned. Bye.